Hi everybody, I'm Maggie.
Hudson.
And this is
Teddy.
And this is Cycle 1 Science Week 8 Classical Conversations. All right, so we are talking this week about what are some type of seed plants? Monocot, dicot, and conifer. The tune we are going to be using is a favorite of my kids. It is the tune of Everything is Awesome by Legos. And the song goes like this. You ready? So it goes, what are some type of seed plants? Monocot, dicot, conifer. What are some type of seed plants? Monocot, dicot, conifer. That's it. Really easy. I know some people will just kind of say it. What are some type of seed plants? Monocot, dicot, conifer. But we like the Lego song, so that's what we went with. Now, some of the things that we're going to do this week is, like always, I'm going to cut this out and we're going to play a version of Memory with the kids. I'm also going to bring in actual types of leaves that are monocot, dicot, and conifer for us to look at, to compare the differences, and also...
Hold on. Look at my hair.
I see. And also so that in our science journals, because we are doing our outside leaf adventures, our outside plant adventures this week for science, to have 3 different types of leaves just already there, and then we can go find more of the types while we are outside. And that's even with my kids at home. We're going to have those 3 types of leaves and then go explore and see what we can find and just kind of create that sense of wonder in them. The other thing we're going to be doing for copy work at home with my kids this week is I have a Write the Room. So I have these 6 squares that I'm going to cut out and put in all different areas in my house, probably in one room, just like the kitchen. Then each of my kids are going to get this particular piece of paper. And what they're going to have to do is find these different flowers and write the associated word with the flower. So for example, this flower, number 1, they're looking for this flower and it's going to say monocot. So then they'll do monocot here. So this is just another fun way of sprucing up our copy work this week. To make it a little bit more fun, add some walking around and adventures. My kiddos really like to be up and moving around. And this is just a way for me to do that with my kids. Now I have one child that is working on cursive a lot more, one that's working on print. So I'll have one kid practice this in print and one kid practice this in cursive.
I'm a kid.
And you are a kid. And this kid, my littlest one, is just going to go through, and I have another version of the sheet which has these flowers with check boxes. And he's going to just check every time he finds a flower. So when you find this flower, what are you going to do? Check. Right?
And find another flower.
And find the next flower and then put a check. So that's what we are doing for science this week. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.